Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 6, Lesson 4. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to use a place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number that is up to 100. Now, in this piece right here, we have a picture, and we're going to write the tens and the ones in the place value chart and in the number bond and then in the number sentence as well. So first, looking at this, we're going to see how many tens we have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So we know that this number is 89. Well, let's look at these 8 tens. Well, we know that 8 tens is 80, and then 9 ones is just 9. So we know that, of course, that number is 89. So let's write it over here in the number sense. 8 tens plus 9 ones equals 89. Now remember the other number sense that we can write, which would be coming right off of this number bond, is 80 plus 9 equals 89. Alright guys, that's it for this video.